everyone, it's PM. Welcome back to PM's Wig Adventure. This is our outfit and wig of the week preview. So today I have to work again outside the house. So we're going to black. So I usually try to wear some green just to be corporate, brand friendly. And I have these pretty shorts. These are brand new. They're a little longer that I picked up from Kohl's the other day, so just pairing them with a tank. Then I wanted to wear some jeans, so I have this top, ties together at the bottom with some jeans. Then I have another dress, and then this is just a gray top with some skirts, navy blue skirts. And then this is a red dress. So that is the colorful. We got no color theme going on. I used to have a, go make sure that I wore a color, all my different colors. That's just another crazy organizational OCD thing of mine. So I still haven't worn that Amazon red, so I think that'll go good today with the outfit. So we're going to wear that Amazon red. Estetica Jones, I'm dying to wear her. I haven't worn that yet. Then I've got in the middle there, I've got Estetica Jones is in R6 28F. I've got the Razored Lob in Marble Brown Melt. Didn't get to wear Brooks and Pecan Rooted, so we'll wear her over on the right. Back down to the left, I've got Hollywood Lights for that gray and navy. Then I've got Softly Wave down there in Caramel Brown Melt. And then I added Estetica's Orchid just as something to add to the mix in case I didn't want to wear one of these, just to get some blonde in there. Because sometimes I don't want to wear one of the ones that I've picked out, so I like to add a spare one. So that's it. These are the wigs for the week, and there are the outfits for the week. All right? Thank you so much for stopping by, but that's the preview of what you can be expecting. And to this week, I'm going to try really hard to stick to the Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday publishing schedule, so you shall have a little more consistency with me. All right? Thanks, everyone.